guys, it's me Max again from Max Hut, and today I'm going to be flying and just giving a little thing about it. This is the Recon RC Helicopter with built-in gyro. It is micro. I have to turn it on. I mean off. Sorry. Guys, but this is the Recon RC Helicopter with built-in gyro. And it actually has some special features about it. It has a camera on the bottom, so you can videotape and take very good photos, very clear videos of whatever you are taping in or, you know, flying in. So whatever area or whatever you want to take a picture or photo of. So, or video of. So also, it goes a little slower when it's videotaping because it needs to be that steadiness, so you don't have to worry. When it's not videotaping, it's actually pretty fast. So I'm going to turn it on. It has a lot of rainbow colors when you sit it down. There we go. You can see the rainbow colors. I'm going to turn on my transmitter. By the way, video, demo, turbo, up, down, which is, you know, up, down, forward, reverse, left, right, trim, photo, and to turn off and on the lights. And then 3-channel, on, off, for the transmitter. And then a little charging port right over here on the right hand side of the transmitter. Now you can also charge, it also comes with a USB cable, you can charge it off your computer. But now I'm going to fly, and the throttle actually stays in one spot in the air. So, and it comes like that. So here we go. And over here, and let's fly. It's very steady in the air. Look, no hands. You can see it's very stable in the air. It's not an outdoor RC helicopter. It's really only for indoors. Right now I have no USB port in it. That's why it's so fast. The USB card. That's why it's so fast. See, it's pretty fast when it's going forward. It also has a turbo button on it, which makes it go super fast. I don't really think I want to hit that right now. I guess I will, just for the video. I can also fly backwards. Okay, here we go. Turbo. 3, 2, 1. See, it's very fast on turbo. I know this is normal. That's normal speed. And then, now I'm going to do turbo. 3, 2, 1. There's turbo. As you can see, it's a lot faster on turbo than it is on normal controls. But, yeah.
Fly it into the fire and out.
No! Anyways, look, no hands. No hands flying. Oh, yeah. See, it does have gyro in it. It actually turns wherever you want it to turn. You can actually control the speed that you want it to. There, no hands. And yet it's still flying. Anyways, now what I'm going to do is you can see you can actually control the speed that you want it to turn. And it also has some special features to it, and you do video and photos all by remote control. So yeah, that's the Recon RC Helicopter, which comes with the USB card, the little accessories, and the transmitter, and the RC helicopter itself. And it actually comes already charged, which is really cool. But it lasts a lot longer and it flies a lot better when you fully charge it. Thanks for watching, guys. Watch more of our videos, and we're gonna keep it on private channel. So, goodbye.